The Free Knowledge Center is back with another video on the top 13 protein sources for losing fat. Please subscribe to the channel and join our family. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications of our future videos. Both nutrition and physical activity are critical if you want to lose fat. To get started, it's essential to challenge your body through physical activity. However, without proper nutritional support, your progress will stall. High-protein foods are very important for fat loss, but carbohydrates and fats are also necessary sources of energy. If your goal is to lose fat, you should focus on exercising regularly and you have to be in a caloric deficit. Here are 13 of the top foods for losing fat. Number 1. Halibut. According to an Australian study called the Satiety Index of Common Foods, halibut is one of the highest-ranking foods to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Number 2. Ostrich. Ostrich meat has less fat when compared to chicken or turkey, and because it is technically red meat, has the rich taste of beef. It helps you burn fat because it contains choline, a nutrient that aids fat loss. It also contains 200% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin B12. Number 3. Pork. Pork can be a healthy option if you select the right cut. Pork tenderloin is your best option as it contains slightly less fat than a skinless chicken breast. It also contains choline, which is a nutrient that aids in burning fat. Number 4. Wild salmon. Eating wild salmon is one of the best proteins for weight loss. Although this oily fish has a high calorie and fat content, it lowers your insulin levels and reduces inflammation in your body. When choosing what type of salmon to eat, make sure you choose wild over farmed. Wild salmon is leaner. Number 5. Light canned tuna. Light canned tuna is a very affordable source of protein and contains DHA omega-3 fatty acids. These help down-regulate fat genes in your body. Canned chunk light tuna has the lowest mercury content and is your best option for tuna. Number 6. Eggs. Each egg contains 7 grams of protein and is one of the cheapest, versatile and easiest ways to get your protein intake. They contain iron, amino acids, and antioxidants, making them great for your health. If you want eggs that are free of hormones, antibiotics and vaccines, try looking for organic eggs. Number 7. Spinach. A cup of spinach has nearly the same amount of protein as an egg and half the calories. It also contains antioxidants, folate, and vitamin A and C. Tip: instead of eating your spinach raw, steam it to retain the vitamins contained in it. Number 8. Organic, grass-fed milk. Organic grass-fed milk does not contain any antibiotics and hormones because grass-fed cows that produce the milk are not fed these things. It also contains higher levels of CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, when compared with grain-fed and corn-fed cows. CLA has a host of health benefits including inflammatory and immune system support, improved blood sugar regulation, reduced risk of heart attack, and reduced body fat. Number 9. Guava. Guava is a fruit that contains the highest amount of protein among its counterparts. It also has 600% of your daily intake of vitamin C per cup and is a good source of fiber. Number 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the most highly concentrated sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Compared to salmon, it is also a much more convenient option to eat too. It can be sprinkled into salads, smoothies, even desserts, and pancakes. Number 11. Vegan protein powder. People that eat higher amounts of vegetable protein are less likely to be at risk of metabolic syndrome. This syndrome causes obesity, high cholesterol, and blood sugar. Supplementing with a vegetable protein will help keep weight off. Number 12. Spirulina. This blue-green algae contains 60% protein and can be bought in a dried powder form, tablets, or flakes. It can be converted directly into muscle tissue since it is a complete protein. It also contains vitamin B12. Number 13. Unsweetened cocoa powder. It isn't just for flavor. Mix some into a smoothie for a gram of protein per 12 calories and 4 grams of fiber. The muscle-making mineral manganese is also contained in cocoa powder. So, start eating this protein food right away, and please let us know your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. We really appreciate it. See you all in the next video.